What's up guys, Pression here, back for another video. Today is actually a special video as of course I entered university and I bought a kit that is an Osteopathy kit, and today I'm gonna unbox it. Just okay, so it's kind of a weird video, but just give you an idea if those people who want become the osteopath, and then this maybe be useful for the kids. So we're gonna open it now because it's sealed. I had to use the scissor like this. And then you have to go like that. Not sure if you can learn about it because the tape sometimes like hit it right there to see. Oh, that's bubble. Give me a sec. Alright, where are you? Come on. Okay. Go. And one more here. Because I video while using one hand, so it's sometimes bit annoying. So let's open it up. So let's see. Alright, so this is actually the kit that I'm using in right now here. But before we open, we got one more here. Now this actually is a bag. It's actually a bag, and it's like putting a laptop or equipment down here. So that's it inside the box, which you can just put it here. There's my S9 over there. So this is the bag, so we're gonna open the bag first, as always. Alright. Okay, let's promise you. Give me a sec, guys. Just need to put my iPad for a moment. I just need to put it aside. So this is the bag. Here's the bag, everything. Oh yeah, it's clicked, but so I just remove it. Come on. Alright. So tangle out. I just remove all this paper right here. And there it is. There's the bag. Zip right here. So again, and again, I use one hand, so it's a problem. So I have to open the zip. Yep. Alright, so that's very good. A big space. Okay, so we just leave it aside. Alright, next up, let's open the kit now. I'm very interesting about this kit, so just need to find where's the zip. Yeah. So just give me a second, guys. Just need to. So the zip is right here. We just need to pull it out. There we go. So let's take out first equipment right here. What's this? Let's check it out. So here is packaging, so we gotta open it. Need to open it properly. So these ones actually measure the pressure of the persons, and they should have include this. Yeah, this one. And I can show you zoom out. Yeah, when you like trying to measure it, and then you hold the pressure and then you hold it. That's how it works. So this is the kit. So let's put it back, and they will teach you how to use it, and your professor will teach you how to use this thing, clinical skill. So let's check another one. So we have a pen here. So here's the pen. As always, the pen. This is it has features modern design, solid ornament, LED white, standard 3V and battery. So yeah, if you just need to replace the battery if you didn't have stock, just need to open it. There we go. That's the pen. So click it. Ooh. So the clear light, so you can see right here. The light is right here. So there's a light. This is the light, and then this pen. So it's quite very great. It's great and sharp, and then you can measure the dots here. It's great for great thing. And then not a smartphone. This is a pen. If it's a smartphone, then it's then really disaster for me. So close it up. Just give me some time. Okay. Let's see what it does. So a turning fork. Now I always like to use turning fork at the time in school, that the teachers actually have to learn the weights, power, turning fork, all like that, and then you listen, and then you listen behind when you tap and then you listen like that, and then you hear. Oh, I got something here. Let's see. Yeah, that's the sound. Oh, so it's actually a great product. Whoops, and then it's a great one. So yeah, let's just put it back right here. Should be the right position, I think. Alright, next up, a thermometer. Yeah. I always got fever when I was young, and yeah, my mom always used this thermometer, and it's a great one, but this is another model, so yeah. But everyone say this is better, but it's an armpit, but I prefer the connect to the ear, that's better. So let's check out whether it works, because we need to make sure that it's a good product. Alright, now, no, it's stuck. Hold on, give me a sec. Oh, it's just like that. Okay, we can take it out. So, what's this? So, is it the oh, so you can measure it, the lower sensors. So, let me check mine. Give me a sec. $32.4. Not a good result, but it's kind of weird. But yeah, maybe it's because it's cold country, so we just switch it on. There we go. So we just put it back, just like that, and attach it back like this. Alright. Next one, hammer, or something like that. A hammer, or maybe it's a. Oh yeah, this hammer. Of course, it's soft. It cannot be hard. If it's hard, then it's mad. Let me try my leg. So it's good quality and it's great. Let's do that. Next one, the last section is the measuring tape right here. So yeah, it's 2 meters, and how to put it back. Oh, there's a button here, like the measuring tape. Pull it, click it, you come back. No, put it back. Lastly is the stethoscope. It's the last one here. Just let me zoom out for you. So this is the stethoscope, customizable stethoscope. There's none in the box here. You just written the royal blue color. That's what I call it. The stethoscope tunable. Innovative design, optimal aesthetic performance, finest craft finish, multi-pattern, soft ear, thick chest piece for no chewing. Let's go and open it up. There it is. So this is something about how to use it and maintenance. And this is the warranty card. So this is how you want to remove the earbuds here. This is the stethoscope. Here was we reading here, right? So we just put it back. Yeah, this is about it. So conclude this is the meter, hammer, light, torch, turning fork. No, this is the meter. This is turning fork, and then the measuring tape and the stethoscope. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.